Carlos is getting small. He lands softly in the nest. Carlos, my book says, do not disturb bird nests. Too late. The bus changes. It takes us up. Now we can see eggs in the nest. We're in a nest too. It's the magical school nest. The mother bird sits on her eggs and keeps them warm. She sits on Carlos too. I am not an egg. We want to save Carlos. But we have to wait for the bird to finish